Right, I've got a big pot of buttons. And I think I want to try and make a star. I'm not really sure how I want to assemble it yet. I'm going to start off with a big button. Some of this really fine floristry wire. That will make the sort of arms of the star, and then I'll figure out how to attach the rest of the buttons to that. So let's see if I can thread this through. I've got my arms. I'm going to use some of this wire. I'm sure there must have been an easier way to put that together, probably with a hot glue gun or something, but it's sort of all wired up. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to be using the acrylic size. Now I'm using it because this is plastic and it's craft. I would never use acrylic size on an antique because it never truly dries. So this will stay open, as in the time you can put your leaf on, for a very, very long time. Almost indefinitely, and you don't want that on an antique. So this will reach tack in about 15 minutes. This acrylic size, you can get something called Wonder size, which is the same thing. It goes on with this sort of milky white, and then it'll dry translucent. So as you can see, all the white acrylic size is now transparent. There's quite a tack to that. So using the 6-carat white gold, so I'm just trying to make a little hanging hook for the back here. This acrylic size has had 4 days to dry, and this is the reason I don't like acrylic size. Look at this. Look how sticky that is. Even with the leaf on, after 4 days, you can still feel it. Now if you put that on an antique, that's permanently going to be that sticky. It's really, really not good. It's not a great finish, really, and I don't like the finish. And I certainly don't like the fact that it's still tacky. So it's okay for something like this, but never ever use it on an antique.